Today on Everything Lead, we're going to check out gun range for lead.
Yeah, shotgun's definitely putting off a lot.
We're in the right place. Let's shoot some guns. Hopefully we can make it glow out of the barrel. I swear to God though, I saw some green. I really think that I saw green like in the air.
Got lit all over me. So this is the ground after spraying fluorospec all over the ground. It's on the rocks. It's on everything around here. This is just insane. How is it possible that there's so much lead down here? Dig into this. Wow. This is a bullet probably, yeah. So. Definitely. Wow. Look how bright that is. It's a leaf. Oh yeah. This is insane. So if you shoot guns, you're getting exposed to a lot of lead. If you do shoot outside, change your clothes, wash your hands. Check out the next video where I show how to clean the gun and how much lead that releases. This is America. Get your guns here, but be safe from lead because they release a lot of lead. And not just at your target. It's Everything Lead.